Today we are taking you to a different type of dessert shop in Melbourne City. It's about 130 meters away from famous seafood restaurant The Boiling Crab. Chimnutz has three different types of desserts: waffle cones, chimney cones and chimney cake. The specialty of this dessert shop is they make self-innovated chimney cones. This inspired by chimney cake originated from Hungary. Founder went on a trip to Europe couple of years back and he fell in love with the chimney cakes. Then he decided to go for an improved version of these chimney cakes, and this is the history of the Chimnutz. We bought Choco Bavarian, Strawberry Shortcake and White Twix. We added few extras, but actually now we can't remember them. Altogether it was $45.23 Australian dollars. In Choco Bavarian, the cone filled with chocolate mud cake, chocolate Bavarian filled with vanilla ice cream and sprinkled with chocolate powder, and then decorated with the waffle disc. Strawberry shortcake, the cone filled with chocolate mud cake, strawberry cream, vanilla ice cream and sprinkled with strawberry powder, and it also decorated with the waffle disc. White Twix little different, but it also made from chimney cake, breaking the spirals of chimney cone and filled with white chocolate, caramel sauce and sprinkled with crushed biscuits. It's served with vanilla ice cream. Chimnutz is a highly recommended place. Chimney cones are desserts, but these fill the tummy like a mean meal. You won't get disappointed when you visit this place. If you go to Melbourne City, please go and visit and enjoy these chimney cones